Hey, all practice members, I wanted to share a couple of guarding tips for you that are all going to be guarding this weekend. Remember, we always want to keep our spine in a healthy position, protect those spinal curves. Two positions when you're working down the ground here. The thing we want to avoid is just this rounding that happens. It creates a lot of strain and stress on the spine and the muscles in there. So let's get you onto your feet, butt down, stick the butt out, brings those spinal curves, and we're working like this from this position, okay? Number two, you can get into the squat position here as well. Butt is out, that keeps that curve in the spine, and then we're gonna prevent the head from coming down. Okay? Second thing is when you're working on any lifting, we wanna make sure that your butt is out and you're hinging from the hips. We're not doing this type of lifting. So you're going to pick up some dirt, so the bum is out, we're grabbing like